Alright, so I just left the hostel today and I'm about to head to my first couchsurfing host on this trip, so that'll be a fun experience. Alright, I'm at the waiting station, or the station waiting for my couchsurfing host to arrive, so now just play the waiting game. John, how do you say your name?
Kedai.
Kedai. Okay. Kedai. Hi. I don't know if you read my profile, but I actually quit my job, so I'm going to be traveling for like the next half a year to a year.
So you're writing blog?
Yeah, writing blog and then also YouTube. So what is the name of this again?
Kamoriba.
Kamaria.
Kamoriba.
Kamoriba.
Yes.
Ah, Kamoriba. Yeah, nice spot to drink, eat, just relax, enjoy the river.
Sama we barbecue.
Oh, people barbecue here
Yes.
too? Wow, okay. Yeah, so you can barbecue here too. I guess we'll walk that way now? All the chairs just switched. That's insane. Alright, we're waiting in line to get into the bamboo forest. It's a long line. Wow, すごいね. So many people.
And so many bamboo.
Uh-huh. So if you ever make it to Arashiyama, check out the hanatoro, right? Hanatoro Light Festival. Trying some fresh boiled eggs now. We're gonna have to crack them.
What are you eating?
Hard boiled egg. Alright, let's try this. Good. Oh. Very good. Yes. Oishii.
Oishii. Orange Koya.
Orange Kuna, right? Very unique. Very homey. And you know we gotta do the Tabi Hodai, Nomi Hodai. Yes. Every hour on the hour.
It's not Japanese style. Unique style.
Very unique.
Yes.
How's it?
Good.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So we got come here for your birthday?
You have to Kyoto.
Kyoto for your birthday here.
Yes. I'll host you. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So this is a restroom here. It's crazy. I don't know what to say right now. Alright. Well, that's been fun. Thanks for everything. Especially the best Izakaya here in Kyoto. Take care, okay? Thank you again. Bye.
Bye. Take care, AJ.
Take care. Another traveling day. We are gonna go to Mount Koya for the Buddhist temples. Let's do this. I'm gonna get my way to Kyoto station and take the train out to to Mount Koya or to Osaka. Once I get to Osaka, then I have to take, I think, the Nambu line to get to Mount Koya. I gotta see, because I also gotta buy tickets, because the JR Pass does not cover your trip out all the way out to Mount Koya. So, if for those of you who want to go to Mount Koya, just take into consideration that the JR Pass does not go there. My backpack got stuck in the door. So now having the train conductors try and open the side door for me. That's interesting. Well, that was a fun experience. Got my backpack stuck in the doorway. They had to manually release the doors to let it go, open it, and take my backpack. The further we go up, the more it becomes, less populated, and the more magnificent the view's gonna be. I just feel so, amazed by how much greenery there is here, because, it's totally different from the hustle and bustle of like Kyoto and Tokyo. So going up to Mount Koya definitely an experience in itself just for the views. Now we're going to the last train for the day, but we still got a bus. So, that's a cable car. I gotta go to the front. Alright, now time to ride this bus to the Blkwhte, the guest house. I made it. Blkwhte. Here's the entrance. Alright, now we're gonna see this temple. Alright, konnichiwa. I have a reservation.
Okay, 日本語話せますか?
そう。
May I have your name?
Jonjovi?
Jonjovi.
Hi.
Okay, thank you.
Traveling by myself and then trying to record everything.
I see. It's not for the movie?
Yeah, for a movie. Hi.
Are you from California?
Hi, California. San Francisco more area. So the Silicon Valley.
I know, it's beautiful view. So
Hi.
see. I remember.
Yeah, that's what the Golden Gate Bridge, San Francisco.
Yes.
Hi.
I know. That is our main hall. So we do ceremony to pray every morning from 6 o'clock.
Okay.
So you can join it without the reservation.
So 6 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay.
A monk read sutra and talk something by Japanese.
So walking around Koya-san is definitely peaceful. You'll barely hear any cars here, but you can easily just get lost in any of the pathways. So it's like I just went through, one of the temples here in Koya-san, but had to be one of, most serene and like insightful locations. I don't know if you can hear that gong in the background, but it rings like every couple minutes. I don't know. For those of you who knows what that gong is, leave the comments in the comments below. You can see it's really cold out here. And one thing I need to get is gloves. I forgot. But I think I'm gonna go purchase them when I get back into Osaka. Now I'm heading back to my temple because I have a lunch at 6 o'clock. Or dinner at 6 o'clock. And I think, after my dinner, I'm gonna probably go to the onsen, check out the onsen at the accommodation that I'm staying at, or at the temple that I'm staying at, just to see, you know, how the onsen is. Because that was one of the reasons why I booked this place, is because it also has an onsen with it. This is my room. Bam! Old traditional tatami room. Before I start work, I'm gonna dress into a yukata. So one thing here is that you're gonna find food at the temples is that everything's vegetarian. So there's not gonna be no meat at all. Alright, I'm gonna head to the onsen. I'm gonna take a bath. Kinda settle in for the night, hopefully. And then because I gotta wake up early at 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock is the prayer here. So I gotta be ready, you know, around 5:30, 5:45.
You give me comfort to my soul, give me such a high. You give me comfort to my soul. You give me comfort to
That was a fun experience. I actually liked the outdoor indoor onsen, so it kind of, you know, different kind of atmosphere and environment, especially when you're outside because it's still cold outside. So, you know, being in the onsen is actually feels pretty nice. Look, I came in, they already set up the bed.